what you're looking for. If it's the stars in the night sky, I can show you more.